Smash and Destroy. Dave and Buster's, Tampa, Florida.
Don't any of you try on me. If you hear me,
And now I'm like it's there. Who do they think they are? I know who they're messing with. I got it.
What do you think so far? It's cool.
We're done over here. More! Cutters in! Execute! This is an emergency! Bravo needs air support! Human and unable to contain that! Keep trying to get us killed! Pull back! Handler Garcia, don't let him in! Russia, you move! No, someone cover me! Cover me! Take them down one at a time! All right, that's enough! Hey, you better give me some space! Miller, come on in! I had a bad feeling about this. Get that beer, man! Alpha 1, come in! Continue. Woo-hoo! They started to pull back. We'll go ahead. Now, come with me. Round, left. Around you. Return to your position. Hold on. Alpha 1 finished off a raptor. Okay, that's it. Calm down. Use the cluster shot. Cluster shot? They need medical attention. Fire's blown out. Time to finish it. Nice shooting, Alpha 1. We'll hold it off. Go ahead. We're gonna need a little more time. We'll arrive on schedule, but we can't wait very long. You're not worried, are you? Come on, we've been through worse than this. I'll contact you later. Wait for me! From the light back!
moves. That makes me tickles. But when you're shooting, yeah, more often than experience.
Don't hit the civilians.
It won't feel that way.
Take care of the enemies near the civilians.
Now! Get out of there! This way! Hurry!
On you idiots!
Civilians, all there. Finish off the enemy.
Get off! You're gonna be fine. Oh, you guys are
Davis has got a beat on you.
Davis has been hit! Someone cover him! It's all his fault!
We're not going down that easily. Come on.
Hey! Watch out, you'll next test!
okay, I say.
Oh man, not again! They just keep coming!
Return fire.
Yeah, thank you.
Don't back down. Keep firing. Marcus, where are you?
Nice work out there! No! It's cut us off!
Okay, keep an eye on me, won't you? Listen, you better keep an eye on yourself. No! I'm breaking through! We're finished here. Watch out! Shit, run! Use the rocket launcher!
Everybody laughs.
Shut up! Think something like that would scare me? Focus on the enemy!
Who gave you permission to take the hit, number one?
Coming from below!
Keep moving!
Alpha 1!
Awesome!
Crazy skills, Alpha 1! Alpha 1! Here comes some more!
Crazy skills. They can kill that guy like a long. I think that's it.
Okay, that's it!
Return to your position! It's a little more! Keep firing! Hey, let's go provide battle for cover!
Gate 1 clear. Woohoo! That's not care about what they've been doing. You know that, right?
Shut him down!
You're right.
You're late. Alright. Relax.
Don't worry, we're here to do the thing.
Of course not. Attention level.
Come now, whoever the plan took me,
Prepare the truck.
I know. Work is awesome.
It's time to prove your work. Don't put a single enemy near the truck.
Okay, let's keep moving.
Come here, hide. Everyone, take off the
Continue firing. Yeah, well, easier said than done. You've fired that weapon a million times. It shouldn't be that hard. Sharp, got civilians. They're coming from above.
I got to remember here, boys. What about this?
Truck ready.
Carry from a hard hit earlier. Fire for a little more time.
I thought I was done for. Thanks. What's the holdup?
Hang in there a little longer. Hey, Walden, we're here. Alpha unit.
Forget about me.
What? Sounds like you're still doing okay, huh, Chief?
Just a little bit longer. Hang in there.
Follow your eye.
Bad feeling.
I thought the gun would save me.
Hold the enemy off.
Thanks, Alpha unit.
Now you owe us one.
We're moving.
You raptor.
Number one is down.
All right, tear into it. Don't change. Support you going in there. Don't get a vehicle.
Right. So it's me.
I will.
Destroy the car.
I like how they don't care for the gun, just destroy them if you have to. Like, shoot everything in your way. With these overpowered guns. Oh, yeah.
Talking?
Use the Drago!
Take him down. Here comes some more.
I got it. Don't worry, I'm missile man.
Switch to the rocket launcher.
Thank you.
You wanted it.
We'll hit the rocket point.
Destroy it. Should I tell you to destroy it? That thing's gonna destroy it anyway. Just focus on taking that thing down. All right. That's right. That's what's done. See? Humans are masters here.
We are master now.
Okay, let's go provide backup for Papa.
What about Rocky?
Here comes another. Whoa! Watch out!
Oh, take it out of there. Move out of the way. You need to surrender now. The United States.
Okay, that takes care of that. I found its weak point. Sitting the data. Do for this. Yeah, mobilized it. That's it. Fire! Nice shooting, young boy. Crazy skills, young boy. Watch out for the legs. Get off my table. You know what I'm doing.
I'm sure they're actually made by the same company. Namco and Namco.
Concentrate your fire. Take them out one at a time. Aim for the head. Finish them off with one shot. No. Focus. Make every shot count. Check out that so good. Big spotted. Keep them out of Fortune's way. I can't send the data while they're attacking like this. I'm suspending the data output. Take care of the unit for it. Come in. The mission was a success! All clear! Yeah! Sweet! Whoa! That's gonna be a record! Good company! Split up and attack! They just keep coming! Back up getting faster than I thought! We're playing on numbers, you know! Our mission is complete! Let's take care of these guys and go home! Okay, our mission is complete. Let's head back. What was that? Everyone fall back. Fortune, secure the speed road. Roger. All units, lay down fire and pull back. Hey, we're in the next building. Right back. Keep it on. Position. Fire. Hurry. Switch to the rocket launcher. No! It's cut us off! We gotta do something about that weapon! Keep the lasers moving and stay out of the way! Just when it emerges. I've never seen anything like this. Nice shooting, my boy. That's still going. Come on, finish it off already. Let's finish this. Fire! We can't take much more of this. Whoa! Gotta get out from here. You fought him. Hurry! Everyone, don't die on the helicopter. Aim for the laser gun. Returning to position. Alpha, closer. Alpha 1 is dead. Here comes another. Whoa! Get back before it attacks. Okay, can't keep this up forever. Nice shot. All right, that's enough. Is everyone okay? Joe! Get in with a laser cannon! Everyone else, provide cover fire! Get the laser cannon ready to fire! I'm working on it. Give me a second. Just fire as soon as the data transfer's complete. Couldn't maintain cover! Take this!
One would kill her. Well, they got behind us. Woo! Let's go, let's go!
Here comes another!
We're too late!